Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an unboxing for you of the Best There Is May 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. This month's spot is Misty Moonlight, beautiful blue. Here is our stamp set. Let me pull this out of here so we can see what we have. Cut on this end so I make sure I don't nick any of the parts in here. This is our instruction sheet. Some beautiful cards here with a wood theme. And here's the best representation of the stamp set. So we've got some beautiful trees. And our sentiments are Happy Father's Day to you. You're the best there is. And with love and admiration to the most amazing person. So very versatile stamp set. Here is the add-on for the dies, which are very versatile also. I've done lots of projects already with these two pieces and that piece. Have not used that one yet, but it'll be perfect for this set. And our coordinating colors this month are Basic Beige, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Misty Moonlight, and Pool Party, and Wild Wheat. So we have dimensionals and glue dots. I love the glue dots from this Paper Pumpkin Kit. Here are our envelopes, and looks like they're all the same. A nice wood grain pattern on them. It'll be great for chopping up. And these are card fronts. Okay, I already have an idea for this one of cutting on these lines and raising the different levels for a card. So we have 3 of those. 3 card bases that look like a shade of Basic Beige. Actually, here's a sheet of Basic Beige, so this is not Basic Beige. Maybe it's more Crumb Cake. It's a lighter version of Crumb Cake. With a little bit of texture in there, it looks like. Printed texture, not texture that you can feel. So those are very nice and neutral. We have some labels. We have 2 sheets of labels. So we have one that's similar to that die cut that's available as an add-on. Right here, so let me just check and see if that is the same size or if it's different. It is the same size, so you can, if you run out of these, then you can cut more with this or make them different colors. So that's great. And then we have one that's like a banner shape, and then the other one is like a flag shape. Loving this pattern here. Coordinates with a patterned paper in the annual catalog, and it's called Country Woods. So if you love this pattern here, you can get more of this type of paper. Lovely wood grain with a nice frame here. And there's 3 of those. And then we have some printed die cuts of the trees. So this is paper, not actual wood pieces, which I actually prefer. Though if you wanted to make this wood-like or thicker, you could put die cut some circles and then glue this to the top of that. Oh, love this card base here with this weathered wood. Just gorgeous for those 3 card bases. And then we have some more die cuts with a Pool Party, Wild Wheat, and Misty Moonlight. And we have 3 sheets of those. Not yet a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin? Want to be? Check out the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.